Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mickisha868. First things first, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. So I'm sure some of you have seen that I've tried trend on YouTube, and it's basically YouTubers trying out other YouTubers' makeup routines or hair tutorials. So in this video, I'll be trying out the Thechicnatural hair tutorial. I've been watching her for years. Love her channel, love her hair tutorials. I have tried some of her hair tutorials in the past, but this time I'm gonna record it for you guys. So right over here on the screen, I'm gonna insert her video and follow it step by step. So if you'd like to see me try to achieve this hair tutorial that she did, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started.
Hey guys, today I'm here with a natural hair tutorial on this BUN-HAWK updo I came up with recently. So like most of my styles, I'm starting off with stretched hair since it's the easiest for me to work with.
Okay, so let's stop there. I'm gonna take this bonnet off. I did try the banding method to stretch my hair, but it's not completely stretched. And this is usually how I preserve my hairstyles, by using the banding method. I just take a regular scrunchie and I wrap it around my hair. So now that the bands are out, this is how my hair looks. It's still not stretched. It does have some curl definition still, but this is what I'm gonna work with for this tutorial. So let's see what she does next. And my hair is very moisturized. I use the Curling Enhancing Smoothie for this old look.
Alright, so now to begin the style, I'm making a part going straight across the middle of my head, going from ear to ear.
Okay, I'm gonna pause there. So she made a part going from ear to ear. So let's see what's next. This looks pretty even to me.
I'm going to section that off, going in an upward diagonal direction, like that.
Okay, let's try that. And let's see how she secures it.
Then I'm applying a bit of gel so the ponytail can be sleek. Smoothing it out with a brush and then putting the hair into a ponytail.
So that's what I'm gonna do. I have my favorite Eco Styler gel. Just gonna put a little. So it's in the ponytail now. Let's continue. It looks a lot easier than it actually is.
Now I'm making the next part, and again I'm starting at the edge of that very first part I made, but this time I'm going in a downward diagonal direction.
For this one, I'm gonna use an elastic band. I know it's bad, but I don't have a lot of scrunchies. So guys, let me show you the back.
The exact same thing in the front to make 6 ponytails in total.
Okay, so for the front, she also separates it into 3. Finally, the last one. kind of look cute, guys. Kind of cute. So going in with a little gel, because this is the front of my hair and I want it to be really sleek. I'm gonna use a brush. And this is a regular men's brush that I got from, I believe, Walmart. Do you see what that Eco Styler does to my edges, guys? Yes. Never fails me. Okay, so here's the mohawk side. Okay, but she goes a little bit further in this tutorial, so let's see. So let's see what she does next. So she's twisting the ponytail and then pinning it down on itself.
So I'm going to do that for all of the ponytails.
Okay, pause. Okay, I think I got it. I think we got this, guys. Let's see. Turn around so we can see the back, and let's see if I actually have it. This is water and curl enhancing smoothie mixed together. I'm just going to spritz it a little. So here's the BUN-HAWK, guys. How did I do? So she also used some crochet twists. Okay, let's start.
And tie it one time so it's secured. And I'm going to keep adding the crochet twist hair in until I have enough for a nice full bang.
Unravel. I don't know if I need any more. Let me add 2 more. Sorry. Okay, let's just do 1 more. So I think this is pretty good, the amount of twists that I put in. Now I'm just gonna cut it and try to frame my face the way she does. Here's the side. Here's this side. I think it looks pretty good. So if there are any other tutorials you'd like to see me try in this I've Tried It challenge, please comment down below and let me know. So far I've been enjoying the two that I did. This one turned out pretty nice. The other one didn't really work for me, but this one turned out pretty nice. If there are any others you'd like to see me try, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much. For those of you who have subscribed, subscribe. Join the family. This channel is growing. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you guys in my next video.